Well, it's sporting a GTX grill, GTX vanity plate. Let's see if that's what it is. Oh, he don't have his showing 440. There you have it. Now this black and gold interior with an electric blue exterior. What do you think about that, guys? I think it's pleasing, right? With a flat black hood insert. It's not too bad. I like it. Not too bad. Let's see if we can get in here and look at the back of it. Oh, me. Up against the bushes again. I like the way they did the tail panels on these cars. Now, this is the one we heard coming in the show, and it's got a nice sound to it. That's really nice, classy. The Roadrunner was a stripped down car, didn't have very many frills at all. And the GTX was the gentleman's muscle car. And it was available with the 440 engine. The Roadrunner was not. I love that instrument cluster. I mean, it's easy to see the gauges, the way they did the steering column. I mean, Chrysler just nailed it with these cars. They hit a home run. Beautiful car. Beautiful, beautiful car.